Ready to learn all about moringa? Moringa has 17 times more calcium than milk, 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 15 times more potassium than bananas, 9 times more protein than yogurt, 25 times more iron than spinach, and 10 times more vitamin A than carrots. People call it the tree of life. And today you'll understand why many nutrition experts consider it one of the most complete superfoods on the planet. What is moringa? Moringa oleifera is a tree originally from northern India, but today it grows throughout the tropical world, Latin America, the Caribbean, Africa, and parts of Asia. What makes it amazing is that every part of the tree is useful: the leaves, seeds, flowers, and even the root. This superfood became famous because it contains over 90 nutrients, antioxidants, essential amino acids, and key minerals for energy, metabolism, and overall well-being. Main benefits include natural energy without caffeine, supports immune health thanks to its extremely high vitamin C content, strengthens bones with bioavailable calcium, helps maintain muscle mass due to its complete plant protein, improves skin health due to antioxidants, supports digestion and reduces inflammation, may help regulate blood sugar based on early research. How to use moringa daily. First recipe: make an energizing green smoothie with the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon of moringa powder, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, half a banana, 1 cup of coconut water, juice of 1 lime, plus ice if wanted. Blend everything for 30 seconds and you're done. This smoothie is perfect for mornings. Energy, hydration, and antioxidants in 1 glass. Second recipe: a moringa detox tea with honey and lemon. Use the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon of moringa leaves, or 1/2 teaspoon powder, 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 lemon squeezed. Steep the moringa for 5 minutes. Strain if needed. Add honey and lemon. This tea is gentle, soothing, and full of antioxidants. Great for afternoons or evenings. Third recipe: a nutritious moringa salad dressing. Make this dressing with the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon of moringa, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 small garlic clove minced, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 teaspoon of mustard if desired. Combine everything in a small jar and shake. This dressing turns any salad into a nutrient-packed meal. Moringa isn't just a trend. It's one of the most complete, affordable, and powerful superfoods available today. If you're looking for more energy, better nutrition, and easy recipes, this tree of life might become your new daily ally. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what recipe should I make next with moringa?